Welcome, in this video we will learn PDF parser forensic tool in Linux. PDF parser is a tool which will parse a PDF document to identify the fundamental elements used in the analyzed file. It will not render a PDF document, parses PDF file to identify fundamental elements. Let's do some practical. Let's open up terminal and type pdf-parser -h. You can see that basic syntax of pdf-parser. The syntax is pdf-parser options pdf file zip file URL. You can see that pdf parser option has -- version, show programs version, number and exit. -h help shows this help message and exit. -s search string to search in indirect objects. -f filter pass stream object through filters. -o object ID of indirect object to select, and so on. Here you can see that in desktop I already saved welcome.pdf file. You can add any files. Now let's display statistics for the given PDF file. Type pdf-parser -a to display statistics for the given PDF file, that is root desktop sample.pdf. Here we can see that the statistics of welcome.pdf file, indirect object as 918, getlog 7969, objdstm 160, 7972, and so on. Now let's see the raw output for data and filter for welcome.pdf file. Type pdf-parser -a root desktop welcome.pdf. Here we can see that the raw data output for welcome.pdf file. So that's it in this video on PDF parser forensic tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.